Hi, good day everyone. Today I'm going to bring you to a national rainforest in Kuching. This rainforest is called the Permai Rainforest. Besides having all the trees, it has a very beautiful pool that's turquoise blue all year round. I heard so much about it that I'm going to find out about it for myself. Finally, reached the blue pool. This first to reach the pool today, so the pool is still crystal clear.
Just take off your shirt and jump right in after a long trek. Your body will be very heated up, and if you do that, you injured yourself, you hurt your body. That's number one. Number two, if you remove your shirt too early, there are plenty of mosquitoes waiting to feed on you. I just got bitten in just barely less than 1 minute of removing my pants. They already come for me. So imagine if you remove your shirt, especially you ladies, if you remove your shirt as well, this mosquito are going to come right for you. So never do that. Just cool yourself down, take about half an hour or so, 15 minutes or so, wander around the environment, feel the coolness of the water, enjoy yourself. You made it, you reached the blue pool, you deserve a good rest. You deserve it. So enjoy. Don't be in a rush to go, you're not going anywhere. Why should you be going anywhere? You should stay here as long as you can. This place belongs to you. Nobody else is coming. You can run naked and nobody will know and nobody will see. Basically, along the way, you will know whether there are people on the track. you can roughly tell how many people are going to come this way. So, like for me, on the way here, there's only one person who registered before me, and I've surpassed him. So I know he's way behind me. It will take some time for him to catch up at the speed I'm coming. So I can easily enjoy for the probably next 1 hour having this blue pool to myself, free of charge. Just you and the fishes, you and the nature. It's all yours.
After being in the pool for about 15 minutes, I then saw the signboard to indicate this is the blue pool. It's written in red, not blue. The water is very cold. Should be about 24 degrees Celsius. I have to walk slow and carefully, so as not to fall into the water. I'm all alone here, so it's really sheer.